Alright, hello guys. Today I'm going to do AJ Milton. This is my first video on AJ. Yeah, I actually did one before this, but my mom told me how to find my phone. Alright, so I have a rare spike and some stuff on trade if you want to trade me. My username is myclasskeys905. But yeah, you can buddy me. Those 14 people if you have. So yeah, let's start off with Shadowrock 0 with a phantom hat. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you really much. Alright. Yeah, so just saying something. Please stop saying it. Stop loading. I'm a freedom mask. Thank you so much. Alright. So an Egyptian hat. Thank you. Also some scary antlers. Thank you really much. Also, thanks for flip-flops. Now this is where I go for a really long time. I'm going to, alright. So from Jammer 2VQ, WY, we get a koala plushie, thank you. I'm going to accept these, they don't have space. Animal Jam rocks, yes it does. Oh, thanks for a rare line hat. Yeah. Oh yeah, here's I think this is a necklace, yeah. Well, it's not really grateful, but yeah, you spent gems on it, so. Yeah, now we gotta skip a bunch. Oops. So, Jammer 2VQ sent me a flower necklace. And we're gonna skip a little bit. Alright, we're gonna, oops. So, from Jammer 2VQ, WY, send me a freedom spike mohawk, thank you. And then this is from iPro Gaming, thank you, because they're like the third person now. Some wings, thank you really much. Yeah, here you are, here it is, you know, there. Right. And then this was LPS Lover, she got a spike. And she gave me a freedom spike. Alright, so that's not beta, because yeah. And yes, nothing. Somebody gave me a dragon mask. Thank you, BDog2064 2064. Here's your player card. Well, technically, it's supposed to be my cards. But yeah, you get it. You see it. Who else then? So now we're just gonna keep skipping here. Who else then? Alright. Oops. This is where we get a bunch of new people. Alright. New jammer. Alright, well, new jammer, you have been showcased in the video. I will accept the new jammer, but you're going to be my only jammer. So this is Hedgehog Maniac. Yeah, so give me something. Let's check them out. Hedgehog Maniac. This is a shout out. Alright guys. Now let's check out a necklace. Thank you. I don't know why. Thank you anyways though. It's the least. And then yeah, I don't know. And then here's a shout out to Pink and Dave. Alright. It looks like they got a spike on trade. Well, not on trade, but they. And they gave me windtail armor. Thank you, that cost 6 diamonds. And then, yeah.
Oh, now I know why they deleted
And then we're going to. And then Oreo Bunny 96. Here's your shout out. Yeah, okay. And you gave me a bunny for this. You played an adventure for that, so thank you. Oops. So yeah. And happy birthday, Clara. Here's your shout out. Now, happy birthday. That's what you're using. Butterfly wings. Thanks, even though you can buy them. This is from Say92872. Yeah, and here we got a horse plushie. Thank you. So here we go. Alright, and now for the other two ones. Shadowrock Zero gave me elf shoes. And she also gave me a diamond ring. And yeah, the freedom mask. Here's hers. This is how she looks. She looks pretty awesome. She's on right now. She's my sis. It's her birthday. Say happy birthday. Alright. So yeah. We're going to go to Jammer to So this is how Jammer 2VQ W9 looks. Yeah, so feel free to buddy me. And for the last few minutes, let's check out how much time it's been. It's been 6 minutes. So let's just do some trading. Let's just see. Alright. Well, yeah. So I'm gonna put some stuff on trade. It's gonna be a short. She got the login world error first. Let's put my beta on trade. Alright, now let's put one more thing on trade. And now let's put finally Greely's wardrobe on trade. Alright, you know what? I'll put something else on trade. Alright. I'll put one more thing on trade.
I wish I had a bow tiara. That's just a cheese eye.
So yeah. Wait, Elizabeth, I have a question for you. What's the limit of the video? How long can it be?
10 minutes.
Can I go over it? Alright guys, let's check how much time there is. 8 minutes. Alright, ready? Let's dance. Trade me. I am recording.
I see you.
Yeah, alright.
I'm the rare one. Let's trade. I'm gonna trade you first. Please add some stuff on trade.
Alright, ready? So Wolfpack and yeah. Thanks for the trade, but I'm not gonna accept. Let's say Wolfpack 17165. Okay. Thank you anyways for trading. Thank you for trading. Thank you for trading. Thank you, Shadowrock Zero.
I added something.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Peace. Peace. Oh my God! I can't press it.
I do it myself.
All right.